Is Twitter good for social media marketing? With more than 145 million active daily users, Twitter should be a part of your marketing strategy. It's the fifth most popular social media network, and it's gold mine of customers and opportunities. It is one of the best platforms to build brand, drive sales and win fans. How to get Twitter reaches? Time it right. A big chunk of your Twitter reach will come down to whether you tweeted at the right time. Repeat yourself, ask for help, add connection, use keywords and hashtags, be topical, tag often, add visuals. What is the best time to post on Twitter? Best times are on Wednesday 9 AM to 3 PM, from Tuesday to Thursday 9 to 11 AM best day, Wednesday worst day, Saturday. Why should I market on Twitter? It has the ability to help you direct more traffic to your website, improve brand awareness, engage your audience, create personal relationships with your followers and customers, boost conversions and increase your sales. UBWebs basically take care of following activities to get best from Twitter. Research audience, talk with your followers, relevant hashtags, timely tweet and retweet, add calls to action, work on size of the content, use of image and much more. We help you drive success.